All right, so today, 1 in 3 college students are obese or overweight. And while the other 2/3 may seem like they're getting away, they often pay the price, as research shows. I'm Lochin, and this is Anjali, and today we present to you Picknic. Meet Susie. She's your average college student. She has a ton on her mind, and she's busy. She knows, as research tells her, her parents tell her, everyone tells her, produce is a key component of a healthy diet. It's directly correlated to heart disease, stroke, and multitudes of other chronic illnesses. But she finds it hard to actually incorporate into her diet. I mean, right here in the audience, how many of you guys have actually eaten 3 servings of fruits and vegetables today? Raise your hands. Like, very few people, right? It's hard, right? Picknic makes this easier. With Picknic, all Susie has to do, go to her local grocery store, and the next time she's at checkout, she scans her receipt or QR code, and she instantly gets points for the fruits and vegetables that she bought. She can then use these points to redeem for prizes on future grocery discounts, right? And the best part is she gets discounts that she actually wants thanks to our voting line button. And you can see our button. It's beautiful. The way it works is every single day she gets a question. And this question is really easy to answer, multiple choice format, so she can answer it while she's bored in line or, let's be real, bored in class. And this question allows her to vote for what discount she wants next, allows her to track her purchase history, and keeps her accountable for being healthy.
So what makes Picknic different from other apps out there is that it's made for college students by college students. So when college students like Susie upload Picknic onto her phone, she has instant access to hundreds of healthy, easy, and quick recipes that she knows that she can use her produce items towards. So what makes us different from other apps specifically, and what makes us better? Not only does Picknic socialize healthy eating and encourage her to purchase more produce and tracks their food consumption, but also she's also getting discounts on food items and groceries that she actually needs and wants, all while with one scan. So it's very quick, easy, and convenient. So how are we going to make money with a model like this? By encouraging college students to continue visiting our grocery store partners, they're not only getting a loyalty program, but also Susie is bringing her friends with her. So she's not only coming back for more, but we're bringing new customers. So the profits that these grocery stores are making, we can get a portion of that as a result of our app. So where are we today? Currently, we are piloting with a number of grocery stores in Berkeley, and we hope to spread to other campuses across California soon. So as we did with our little survey earlier, not many of you are really getting your servings of fruits and vegetables. So there's a little bit of Susie in all of us. But what you can do is pick healthy, pick prizes, and Picknic.
Thank you. And we're open to questions.
So it's great that you're working with these outlets like Whole Foods and the Student Collective. I wonder if you had thoughts about how you might work with farmers markets or like the Berkeley Ecology Center that runs a lot of the farmers markets around here. Is there a way that you can coordinate with them as well?
That's a great question. We're really looking into that. Part of that is finding markets that college students actually visit. So right now we're piloting in Berkeley in kind of this local area, but we definitely have plans to expand outwards and really encompass the larger community. But thank you. That's a really great idea.
And when you said you scan the QR code and you get points, is that just kind of by category? You got fruit, that's a certain number of points, or is it actually looking at the quantity or maybe something negative about what you're taking points away if you're getting the wrong thing?
We've actually gotten that question before, that more consumption isn't necessarily a good thing. But with this app, we're encouraging more fruits and vegetable consumption, but utilizing that towards the recipes. So by having a recipe tab available on our app, we think that if students buy produce items to make a certain dinner, that is one less visit getting pizza at Blondie's, because they're using, let's say, fresh kale and quinoa to make some sort of, nice exotic dish that's, often a lot healthier.
And to build on that, to answer your question about, taking away points, we believe that we shouldn't take away points because at the end of the day, we all have, like a certain portion of money, right? This is the money we're going to use for grocery shopping. So we believe that if people are allocating more money towards buying healthy groceries, healthy fruits, produce, that takes away money from buying other things, right? There's only a certain amount of money people have. And so we feel that indirectly we're improving their overall purchasing habits.
The idea of getting all the individual unit data from the receipt is great. How far along are you in actually having that become reality?
So right now, we have like a QR code right now, which is just like at the register. But we hope to actually get this QR code on the receipt, and we're kind of like building up. So right now we're working with the stores mentioned on our PowerPoint or our presentation, and we hope to like have a proof of concept. And then once we have that, we hope to like get more specific data. So to go back to your question about how many fruits and vegetables, right now, since our QR code is at checkout, we're functioning more as a bucket type thing. Like, okay, you have bought 10 or more fruits or vegetables, you can get X amount of points. But once we have a proof of concept, we are actually on the physical receipt, then we can get down to, or we use like OCR technology for actual numbers, then we can get to actually like, I bought 5 apples and 6 bananas, and this is going to give me this many points.
Can you talk about your business model again? How do you guys make money? That wasn't clear.
I can take that. If you want, I can go back to the slide with the table. So what we plan to do is, what this table shows is essentially projected income that the grocery stores would be making as a result of working with our app. So since the app is encouraging our users to keep returning to their store, only their store, since they're the ones that have the QR code at checkout, we're not only encouraging our users to go back, but because it has that social aspect, people are coming back. So right now it seems like we're giving them free marketing in a way, but the profits that they're generating because of us, a portion of that can go to us. And we hope that with our data collection after we have a launch, after a few months, if grocery stores find that they would like access to that data to help improve their market research or provide more items that their consumers will actually use, then they can pay an additional fee for that.
A lot of emphasis here on the value added of recipes. How many college students are cooking their own meals and how often?
That's exactly what the question is, right? How many college students are doing that? Not many, right? But that's what we want to change. And what are the obstacles to actually cooking? It's convenience. And is it easy, right? So our emphasis on its recipes by college students for college students is that, okay, say, I have midterms coming up and I want to get food. I can either cook or I can buy. Right now, buying is what's easy because I don't know what to cook and I know it takes time. It's a whole black hole. I don't want to go there. Right? Now, with these recipes, we're marketing it as 20 minutes or less, curated by us and by the college community. So it's tried and true. I have a recipe that takes me 10 minutes to make flat, right? So I can come home and make it. But not the entire college campus doesn't know about this recipe. Through this app, we're making healthy eating like a social thing, right? So now, instead of going to the Chipotle line, which during midterm season takes about 25 minutes, they can check out their app. The Sam's is on Telegraph right there, right? So we're finding these grocery stores that are local to these students, and we have a lot of different options, and then they can make these recipes. So that is what we're trying to change.
All right, thank you guys.